This is a one-sample z-test. These are used to find the mean if a standard deviation is known, and then for proportions if you want to estimate like the population, like 50% of women do something, and this is like average of men's heights. Okay, so for these, the null hypothesis is always p equals some number and mu equals some number. And then to test, we use these proportions, or these, equations. And then the conditions for the proportion one is SRS, n times p is greater than 10, and n times q is greater than 10. And it has to be independent, which means that the total population has to be bigger than 10 times the sample. And then the conditions for the mean is SRS, n is greater or equal to 40, and the total population is 10 times the sample. So the alternative hypothesis for both of these would be not equal to, greater than, or less than. And if it's not equal to, then you have to multiply p by 2. And so you conclude that if p is small, you reject the null. And confidence interval. This is to estimate like the true proportion of men is blank and blank, and this is to estimate like the true height is between blank and blank. So this is one sample z-test, and you always have to use z-test when you're talking about proportions.